Bindweed or any type of invasive perennial type of weed, like for here it's Bermuda grass, that's difficult. You can hand pull and you can use several layers of cardboard underneath your soil, but that cardboard's going to rot away most likely before a strong perennial weed is going to die. And so in that case, you may have to go with like a landscape fabric, landscape cloth. If you do that, just know that while they can't get up through it, the roots of your plants can't get down through it. So you're going to need a deeper bed of at least 12 inches. 15 would be optimal, but 12 would work. Tree roots is going to be the same thing. If cardboard's not going to keep out tree roots, so the landscape fabric, and what you're going to want to do is take that landscape fabric and put it underneath the bed before you even install it, and install the bed on top of it so that there's no spot along the edges for those tree roots to sneak their way in, because they will do that. If you're going to do any of these things, kind of like what I talked about before, is add a couple of shovelfuls of your native soil into the bed, because roots can't get through the landscape fabric, neither can all of the beneficial insects and worms get into the bed from the ground below.